Always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
And welcome back. Sunshine coming out. It really looks beautiful outside. It wasn't very fun to travel in this morning if you had that morning commute. But the accumulating snow is essentially done. And with that being said, it's not just done today, but I think we're going to enter a stretch in the near future that we're not going to see much in the way of accumulating snow. Rain? Yeah, maybe. Let's take a look at the season snowfall. Muskegon approaching 70 inches. And that 68.9 is almost 20 inches above average. We're not quite there in terms of Grand Rapids. We're at 43.7, which is about 3.3 inches above average. Kalamazoo coming in at just over 45 inches for the season so far. Notice how you get away from the lake a bit. Lansing, about 24, nearly 25 inches. Way up in UP, Painesdale, 200 plus inches of snow. Just incredible. And so far in Milwaukee, they've only had 10 inches, so you can really see what Lake Michigan does. I'm going to show you a picture at the bottom of of all the snowfall throughout the Great Lakes so far halfway through winter, which, yes, we've actually made it halfway through winter. Okay, a little bit of sunshine trying to poke through a very thin veil of stratus clouds at the present time. Nice to see that sun. Super bright when it comes out with a fresh snowpack on the ground, so one of those days you certainly need the sunglasses out there. It is cold out, 12 above currently in the Grand Rapids area. Let's head to the lakeshore, one of my favorite places to go with the family and take the dog for a walk, especially this time of year, checking out the ice. It's just amazing how the beauty is just different in the winter compared to the summer. It's always beautiful at the lakeshore, but this time of year it's extra special with that ice continuing to grow, which, by the way, is at 32%. We're running way above last year. Storm Track Live radar, what's left over with the snow? Not much. Just a few flurries north and east of Grand Rapids, around the Greenville area, up towards the Stanton location, also around, say, the Belding location. Otherwise, that is it in inland areas. Nothing that's going to accumulate anymore. The main band is actually now forming on the backside of an area of low pressure, a little clipper system that continues in the east to roll through the eastern part of the Great Lakes now, and that eventually will start to move on shore later on tonight. But at the same time, it's going to weaken. I think the bigger story is actually the temperatures. Right now, cold, 12 above, as I mentioned, in Grand Rapids. Single digits. Once you head south of Grand Rapids near I-94, Battle Creek, for instance, only 6 above, 5 above in Kalamazoo. If you're at the lakeshore, not quite as bad. Notice how temperatures not as cold up to the north. Kind of unusual. They're actually warmer up to the north at 18 currently in the Fremont location. There is a variable wind out there, eventually becoming northwest today as the area of low pressure continues to move east. It will fortunately stay quite light, under 10 miles an hour. Here's the wind chill out there, below 0 if you're around I-94. Not quite as bad as you had to the north. Unfortunately, that wind is light, but it still feels like 7 below in Kalamazoo, around 3 above in Grand Rapids. Here's what it looks like in the futurecast. Notice how that lake effect band of snow is coming on shore, but at the same time, it will weaken tonight. So pretty heavy snow is possible if you have any travel plans towards Chicago. And notice it comes inland and completely falls apart tomorrow. I do expect some sunshine. Here's the 8-day forecast. I alluded to a significant warm-up. I think you'll really start to feel it on Friday, 37 degrees, and over the weekend, possibly right around 40 on Saturday. As that warm air pushes in, we'll have some drizzle and also some rain showers to contend with. Not snow, but rain. But we may end Monday with a pretty big system, rain changing over to snow. So it's
always messy.
Just like last week, up and down.
All right. Thank you, Matt.